Hello, my dear children. How are you? Are you studying well for your exams? Very good. Look at the question here. It's a riddle. Can you answer it? I'll read the question. I am an animal. I have large ears and a long trunk. I am the largest animal on land. Who am I? Can anybody tell the answer? Yes, you are right. The answer is elephant. Today we are going to study the story of a baby elephant. Shall we study the story? Let's go. Look at the picture, my dears. The baby elephant is looking at his shadow in the water, and he is thinking, is it me? I look so funny. I'm so big. I'm so fat. What a long nose. 2 big ears. Will anyone like me? He is very sad. Here, funny means laughable. He is thinking himself as a joker. He don't like his figure. The baby elephant have so many friends. The monkey said, your ears are lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. You look so sweet. The giraffe said, you are fat, but you are smart. The zebra said, your long nose is so attractive. Shall we read the text? Okay, you should read it along with me, okay? Is it me? I look so funny. I'm so big. I'm so fat. What a long nose. 2 big ears. Will anyone like me? Is it me? I look so funny. I'm so big. I'm so fat. What a long nose. 2 big ears. Will anyone like me? Your ears are lovely. You look so sweet, said the monkey. You are fat, but you are smart, the giraffe said. Your long nose is so attractive, said the zebra. Your ears are lovely. You look so sweet. You are fat, but you are smart, the giraffe said. Your long nose is so attractive, said the zebra. That's all for today's class. I hope all of you enjoyed today's class very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.